Hello, my name is Bobby. Thanks for joining us for our educational workshop, How to Modify the Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks Online. With QuickBooks Online, you have the ability to modify your chart of accounts by adding, deleting, renaming accounts, or merging sub-accounts with parent accounts. You also have the ability to import your existing chart of accounts into QuickBooks Online. In this exercise, you will learn how to modify an existing chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. I have a scenario for you. Your chart of accounts has already been set up, and you want to modify the description or type for an existing account. To start, you select Accounting from the left menu. Then you locate the account you'd like to edit. Select View Register. Then select Edit to edit that account. From here, you can make changes to all available fields: category type, detail type, name, description, and the date you want to start that balance. Don't forget to select Save and Close. Thanks for joining our educational workshop on how to modify an existing chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online.